Hello, what's happening guys? I am Mashuk Sharkabatista and welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up March by Amazon payment and banking section to get paid from Amazon. So let's get started. To get paid from Amazon, actually you have to add bank account. To add an account, simply go to my account and go to the payment and banking tab. And I already have added my bank account. To add another, simply hit on add another bank account, or you may see add bank account. Now from this drop down menu, choose your country and put your bank details. If you don't see your country list in this drop down, then don't worry about that, because in this video I am going to show you how to get paid from Amazon. So country issue, this is not a problem. Actually, if you don't see your country list in this drop down, you need a Payoneer account. Just open up a new tab and type msbacademy.com/pioneer, then hit enter. If you don't have any Payoneer account, then click on the sign up and earn $50 this button and sign up for an account. If you already have an account, then just visit pioneer.com and after that click on sign in. I already have an account, that's why I just click on sign in button. Then put your email address and password, then hit on sign in button again. Alright, I am now successfully logged in on my account. Now to receive payments from Amazon, I just simply navigate to the get paid this option. And then I just select receiving accounts. Here you can see Payoneer provides bunch of different virtual bank accounts. This time I just simply expand USD currency bank account. So this is our account details. This is actually the virtual bank account information of USA. It enables us to receive payments from global companies. Here you can see they provide us bank name, routing number, account type and beneficiary name. Okay. Now to add bank account on Amazon to receive payments, I just simply select the country United States. Okay. Now we need to fill up account holder name. I just simply copy the beneficiary name. Account type, our account type is checking. That's why I have selected checking this option. Account number, I just copy paste the account number right here and paste this account number again to verify the number. And finally the routing number, I just copy the routing number and paste it right here. And finally to add this account, I just simply hit on add. And yes, we are done. And now I just delete the previously added bank account. Alright, if I reload it, see, we just successfully add our virtual bank account. This is how you can easily add Payoneer's provided virtual bank account to get paid from March by Amazon. Hope this makes sense to you. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you guys to the next one.